Pamela Nauta, your Metro Denver real estate agent, and I am here in Northeast Aurora at the Painted Prairie development, and we are going to check out the Willow Floorplan by KB Homes. KB Homes Willow Floorplan is an attached two-story home with two-car alley load garage and has a small side yard off of the dining room. And there's approximately 1,600 square feet and includes 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms and a loft. And this specific model doesn't have a basement, but if you were to add it, there's an additional 584 square feet. And it would include 1 additional bedroom, 1 bathroom, a living space, and storage. And this specific model starts at $460,000. And if you like the Painted Prairie Community and the Willow Floorplan by KB Homes, reach out to me. I have great relationships with a lot of the builders in the Metro Denver area and will represent you and get you the information that you need so that you feel comfortable building your next home. So my contact information, I'll include it here, and then feel free to reach out, like, subscribe, and comment. Enjoy the tour.